So now we have developed frequent items list, right, with minimum support of 20%. Now using these item sets, then we have to develop association rules. Okay. Support for a rule, again, is the percentage of items or percentage of transactions, that include both the antecedent and the consequent. So that's the basis upon which we will evaluate. Or there is another measure which is called confidence, and we're going to be using confidence. So confidence of a rule is the number of transactions with both antecedent and consequent divided by the number of transactions with the antecedent alone. Okay, so that would be like probability of consequent given antecedent. So that's your confidence. What is the given the antecedents? What is the probability of the consequent? So this is your joint probability divided by the marginal probability. So the rule here, suppose, for example, if the rule is red and green means blue. Okay, if red and green, this is your antecedent, then blue, that is your consequent. So your numerator is probability of antecedent and consequent. So probability of red and green and blue. So that is your numerator. And the denominator is the antecedent. So probability of red and green. So this is how we compute confidence of a rule. Alright, so now here are the item sets, and we can develop rules. The rules are developed starting from the bottom here. So because that's easier to follow. So here you can set red white means green. So that is one rule. So then you get red white and green. So that is 2 divided by the number of the support for the antecedent. Antecedent is red and white. So red and white is 4. So 2 divided by 4 gives you 50% confidence for that rule. So now we get red and green means white. So that is another rule. Okay, so again the numerator is antecedent and consequent. So that is 2. Then the antecedent alone is red and green. So red and green is 2. So 2 divided by 2, then you get 100% confidence. So then white, green, these two are antecedent, and red is your consequent. So again numerator is 2, white and green. So white and green is right here 2. So 2 over 2, that means you're 100% confident. Okay, we'll do one more. So you have now we had 2 in antecedent and 1 in consequent. So let's do 1 in antecedent, 2 in consequent. So red means white and green. So again numerator is 2, right? Now red is your antecedent. Okay, only red. So red is 5. So 2 over 5 gives you 40%. So if the confidence threshold is set to some level, then you can say, okay, if the rule doesn't satisfy the confidence level, then you can throw out that rule. So, but here I have developed all the rules, and for each of them we have the confidence level.